This guide will help you remove old devices from your Binance security settings to enhance your account's security. Follow these simple steps to ensure your account is protected from unauthorized access. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure network to prevent any potential security risks. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. View authorized devices. In the security settings, find the option labeled authorized devices or similar. This will display a list of devices that have access to your account, including their last access times. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of authorized devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of these devices as you will be removing them shortly. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove and follow the prompts to confirm their removal. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication to complete this process. By following these steps, you can effectively remove old devices from your Binance security settings, ensuring your account remains secure. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice for maintaining account safety.